If you like the video, subscribe to my channel within the next 3 seconds after watching. You'll get 50 years of amazing luck. Just try. It really works. 10. A huge shark. Tourists enjoy seeing sharks in the deep sea as they get protected in metal cages on a beautiful day. But a big shark was able to get through to his cage. Luckily, the crew of the boat allows the shark to escape. 9. Military exercise. In this video from a military exercise, one of the soldier's guns went off, hitting the soldier in front of him in the lineup. Luckily, it only shot his hat off. 8. Mobile phone saves life. Motocross has been considered as one of the most dangerous sports in the world. Now we see a racer who sent his bike flying into a large group of people. The guy in the red hoodie, he's got everything well calculated. The interesting part is, the man is still on his phone. 7. Speedy biker. The incredible moment was captured by a motorist on a highway. Now we see a motorcyclist speeding through traffic. Suddenly, the motorcycle had lost his control and hit the car ahead of him. Probably the speedy biker felt himself like James Bond after this unbelievable moment. 6. Crane. Heavy equipment always carries a high risk of injury. The big head of the crane almost fell on him while he was working on something. And happy to say, he left the scene unharmed. 5. 18-wheeler. Trains have a small risk of accidents, but it can be very dangerous if they do. In this video, we see an 18-wheeler approaching the railway crossing. But he becomes entrapped by the crossing bars with only seconds to react. Unfortunately, there really is nothing to do in this situation. 4. Small ball. It was a beautiful day for baseball. During a baseball game, a spectator felt so lucky. He wasn't paying attention to the baseball game, but was lucky that the ball passed right over top of him instead of hitting his face. 3. Van. You don't know what will happen to you even when you're sitting in the park on a beautiful day. This footage shows people gathered with family and friends when the unthinkable thing happens. A van veers suddenly out of control. The people were so lucky not to have serious injury. 2. Fast rock. We all know that we like to watch interesting things. In the video, a group of spectators is seen watching the demolition of a tall building complex. Suddenly, a large rock flies across the crowd, missing a spectator's head. Luckily, no one was hurt. 1. Scooter. Now we will understand better why parents should be more careful and why drivers are always told to keep their eyes on the road. In this video, we see a young child who is sped away from his mother. Luckily, the car was able to stop right on time. As always, thanks for watching.